Kamusta? Narito ang medal tally ng 19th Asian Games Hangzhou 2022 as of September 26, 2023, 7 p.m. China 47 gold, 24 silver, 11 bronze. South Korea 13 gold, 13 silver, 18 bronze. Japan 6 gold, 18 silver, 14 bronze. Uzbekistan 5 gold, 6 silver, 10 bronze. Hong Kong 4 gold, 4 silver, 9 bronze. India 3 gold, 3 silver, 6 bronze. Indonesia 3 gold, 1 silver, 5 bronze. Chinese Taipei 2 gold, 3 silver, 3 bronze. Thailand 2 gold, 0 silver, 5 bronze. United Arab Emirates 1 gold, 1 silver, 3 bronze. Tajikistan 1 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Macau, China 1 gold, 0 silver, 2 bronze. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Kyrgyzstan 1 gold, 0 silver, 0 bronze. Iran 0 gold, 4 silver, 5 bronze. North Korea 0 gold, 3 silver, 2 bronze. Kazakhstan 0 gold, 2 silver, 6 bronze. Mongolia 0 gold, 2 silver, 4 bronze. Vietnam 0 gold, 1 silver, 5 bronze. Malaysia 0 gold, 1 silver, 2 bronze. Brunei 0 gold, 1 silver, 0 bronze. Sri Lanka 0 gold, 1 silver, 0 bronze. Philippines 0 gold, 0 silver, 2 bronze. Afghanistan 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Bangladesh 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Jordan 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Kuwait 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Lebanon 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Singapore 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Turkmenistan 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Narito ang ibang team participants ng 19th Asian Games: Bahrain, Bhutan, Cambodia, East Timor, Iraq, Laos, Maldives, Myanmar, Nepal, Oman, Pakistan, Palestine, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Syria at Yemen. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.